Hello YouTube, Stephen Gilbert RC here with my Spektrum Black Knight 210. It's what I have working right now because my ZMR 210 is in pieces. Currently, a lot of the films you've seen have been with this thing. This is the Foxeer box. Not a bad camera, I like it, but I like something a little bit more versatile. So it might be a little bit heavier, which is okay because it's freestyle, but something with a lot more options to it than this. So I got something as light as I can get it, but I think I'm going to try this. This is a Canon Rebel SL2. I might have some clearance issues for the props, but I got it as light as possible. It's got the 24mm pancake lens on it, so it should have a pretty nice, still have a pretty nice field of view. I have the warranty on it, so if I crash it, I'm not too worried. But yeah, if it doesn't work on that little mount plate, I'm probably just going to strap it to the top of the battery. Yeah, that should work. Yeah. I mean, I would totally test it right now and show you, but I don't want to. So let me know what you guys think.